In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating the Portable Hellbomb in Helldivers 2, a powerful tool for taking down enemies with extreme force. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, follow this step-by-step tutorial to unlock and use the Portable Hellbomb effectively in your missions. Step-by-step guide. Unlocking the Portable Hellbomb first. Ensure that you have unlocked the Portable Hellbomb in your Helldivers 2 loadout. Complete specific missions or objectives to unlock this powerful device in the game. Equip the Portable Hellbomb head to the loadout screen in your main menu. Choose the Portable Hellbomb from your list of deployable equipment. Ensure you have enough inventory space to carry it. Deploying the Portable Hellbomb. Once you're in the mission and have dropped into the combat zone, open your equipment wheel, usually via a designated button, such as the D-pad on consoles or a hotkey on PC. Select the Portable Hellbomb from your available gear. Aim at the desired area where you want to deploy the bomb. Activate the Hellbomb. Press the activation button to deploy the Portable Hellbomb. You will see a timer or warning indicating the Hellbomb is about to detonate. Keep an eye on the timer and take cover to avoid any friendly damage. Strategic use of the Portable Hellbomb. Use the Hellbomb strategically in large enemy groups, or to take down tough enemies. Avoid using it too close to your team, as the explosion is massive and could cause collateral damage. Cooldown and recharging. After using the Portable Hellbomb, there will be a cooldown period. Wait for the recharge time before you can deploy it again in your next encounter. Tips for effectively using the Portable Hellbomb. Timing is key. Deploy the Hellbomb in the right moments to maximize damage, especially in high-density combat zones. Team coordination. Communicate with your team to ensure you're not caught in the blast radius and that they are prepared for the explosion. Positioning. Make sure to place the bomb in strategic areas that can inflict the most damage to enemy forces or objectives. With this guide, you're now ready to make the most of the Portable Hellbomb in Helldivers 2. Whether you're clearing out enemy hives or facing overwhelming opposition, this weapon will be an essential part of your arsenal. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a pro at deploying devastating explosives. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Helldivers 2 tips and guides.